Hey everybody, today we are talking about odd numbers and even numbers, and maybe you've heard of them before. Maybe you had a group of objects and you'd try and put them into groups of two, and if you didn't have any left over, you could say, hey, this is an even number of objects. Or sometimes you would try to put them into nice groups of two, but then you'd have something left over, so you'd say, hey, this is an odd number of objects. But it's not always convenient to go around grouping things into twos to find out if it's an odd or an even number of objects. So we need a new way. Lucky for you, we have definitions. A number is even if it is divisible by 2. Okay, well, what's divisible by 2 mean? Well, we have a rule for that. A number is divisible by 2 if it ends in a 0 or a 2 or a 4 or a 6 or an 8. Got it? Great. Let's practice. Here we have a nice pile of numbers and a couple of buddies to help us sort. Here we start with 22. So we're looking at the ones digit, which is a 2, and we're seeing if it's part of our list, 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. It is on the list, which means it's divisible by 2, which means it's even, and off it goes to the even pile. Okay, 17 has a 7 in the last place. 7 is not 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, so it goes to the odd pile. 50 ends in 0. 0 is on our list of being able to be even. 81 ends in a 1, not a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, not on the list, not part of the group, off to the odd pile. 16 does end in a 6. That's part of 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, which means it can go with the evens. And lastly, 49, ending in a 9, is not a 0 or a 2 or a 4 or a 6 or an 8, and off it goes to the odd pile. Now you know the great secret to determining odd or even. You're welcome.